Hey guys, what's up? It's Andy Guy here, and you guys know the MWC 2019 is running. So the most exciting thing right now is the Nokia 9 smartphone. So the HMD Global now runs the Nokia. So they launched the Nokia 9 smartphone with 5 cameras is the main focus point of right now. So it has 5.99-inch qOLED QHD display with its Gen 7 and a older chipset, SoC system on chip, Snapdragon 845 and 6GB RAM and 128GB of storage, built-in storage, and it runs on Android Pie. So let's go in the camera section. So it has 5 cameras. As we know, we have so many videos right now. I'm showing you Mrwhosetheboss video and some other YouTubers video. So the 5 camera, it has 12 megapixels monochrome sensor camera and 2 RGB lenses with the focal length of 1.8 and can be controlled individually, and it has the selfie shooter of 20 megapixel. So what do you think? How is the Nokia 9 is? So I think this is a great phone, considering that it has the low processor, but it's still now higher than the mid-range, and it saved the cost of this phone, and it's launching at an incredible price, $699, so almost $700 for this phone. I think they done a good job. Let's see what happens. Okay, see you in the next one. Bye bye. Subscribe this channel.